Okay guys, I just wanted to come on and explain to you what's going on. I changed the name of the channel from Off-Grid Adventures with T-Dog to Thompson's Cabin Adventures. I'm not going to get into it a whole lot. If you're curious, jump down in the comments and ask me. There was some strategy behind this. Also, the T-Dog portion of the old name. Bit of a glitch on that one. And same with my handle. So anyway, the cabin build is coming along fantastic. The garden is coming along super awesome. I had some equipment show up here and I am so far behind on editing. This is pretty much going to be the video for this week. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it out this weekend or we'll just do it next week. But the cabin build is coming along super. So thanks a lot guys. I just wanted to explain what was going on and I really appreciate every one of you. And we'll see you soon.